This is a stunt twist car currently available from TikTok shop. Now this is a 4-wheel drive remote control car. We have what you call sort of a conventional controller, but apparently this also is controlled by your finger, which we'll see when we get it out and give it a test. Now everything lights up, the wheels, the body. It also has 2 modes. It moves left to right. It does 360 rotation. Let's see what we get in the box. Ooh. Okay, instructions. I think that might be a charging kit. I'm assuming this is for the finger remote. And then we've also got the car itself. And a remote control. This is going to take some batteries. It takes a couple of AA batteries. And I'm going to assume this has batteries too. Yep, just need to use a little screwdriver which is provided to open that up and put the batteries in there. The feel of it, these are like rubber. These wheels are, they've got like rubber rollers on them. I assume that's to help with the stunts. I'm going to get some batteries in there. And I'm going to give it a play.